Hello and welcome to my final submission of Harvard CS50's web programming with Python and JavaScript. This is my final project and I have built a LAMS app that resembles Google Classroom as it was a problem for my college during COVID to handle notes and information while during quarantine. So let me show you. As you can see, this is the main page and here you can register. I have built this modal that allows the user to register. Here you can check if you are or not a professor. If you don't check this box, you will be assigned as a student. I have already created two profiles. One I use as a student and one as a professor. I am gonna show you this one, the professor, as the first one. So let's log in. I'm sorry if it sounds a little bad. It's because it's raining here. So you can see this is the main layout. There's well, this would be the website's name. Here you would have the courses that you are. As this is a professor's profile, you can access these here to the courses you as a professor handle. Here you can log out. There's your username. There's this nav bar. These are your classes, the same ones that are here. And here you can create a new one. Let's create a new one. Let's say mechanics. You can add a description. Let's say from Newton, Hamilton, and Lagrange, and create it, and it would be appended here. Let's go to it, and here you can create new material. This would be the course layout, but let's not go to this one. Let's use this one that already has material, so you can see what I have built here. As you can see, there are mainly four sections here. You can find the Jumbotron, which has the name of the course, a description, and the professor's email. You can see this button for adding new material. Material can be an assignment or not an assignment. If it is an assignment, then you can set a deadline. It is required for you to set a deadline. And well, the same here. If you add something new, you it will be appended here in this section, which lists every single material as a blog entry. We'll see that soon. And this due soon section shows the those those assignments that are due soon. And let's see here in practice one tunnel effect. For an example, you can see the material layout uh, saying title, creation date, an ID, description. And here, as a professor, I would be able to check submissions. But let's see what happens if I go to a student's profile. Uh, Introduction to Quantum Mechanics. This is a course. Let's see this layout here. You can join a course with an ID. Let's add electromagnetism. There it is. And if I go to Introduction to Quantum Mechanics, and I go to this homework, which I have not updated yet, I can select a file, any file, and upload it. And if I go here to the professor's profile, and let's see time, I'm fine. Okay, and if I go to it and I check submissions, I will find the submission I just had, and I can download that file to my computer, and I can also change the grade, and then I can assign any grade from 0 to 100. Let's see, and the student will see it here. Let's reload the page. There it is. And well, yeah, that would be it. As you can see, it's built so it's also responsive, as you can see. And here, it's very user friendly. It always lists everything you have to know. And thank you. That would be my final submission. I hope you liked it, and I will be expecting news from you.